We're back. We are back at 406 Garage because Ben told me he bought a new truck and I need to see it. Now Ben has lots of trucks, all kinds of them. He buys them all the time. And he has never told me that I need to come see one before. So this one is either really cool or he needs help with something and I have been swindled. Let's go find out. Okay, of course, Ben's not here yet, so we are gonna come raid his fridge. Oh, he's only got one monster left. It'd be a shame if somebody stole it. Snooze, you lose. So look who finally decided to show up. When did you get this thing?
About a week ago.
I like that one.
59, 3/4 ton, first year of the V8 and factory PTO winch. Could do some recoveries with that.
This thing is cool.
Yeah. Northern California truck, born and raised. It lived within 100 miles of where we got it from.
Wow.
That Wednesday when we had the snowstorm.
It looks good.
It was
dirty.
perfectly clean when he left his house in Northern California, and then this. So we got to wash it, detail it, clean it.
It looks good dirty. I like that one.
Yeah.
And then, where'd this come from?
That just showed up yesterday. That came from, I bought that in Sun River, Oregon, but locally. So Kevin just got this running, and we pressure washed all the however many years of grime off of it. And look at the old split rim wheels, bias ply tires. Like, that's like super old school. This is 74, it's a 3/4 ton 4-wheel drive. That thing has front disc brakes, power steering, power brakes, big block, automatic. It's nothing fancy, it's just a farm truck, but it's, you know, it's a good old truck.
Okay, so, you told me to come over here because you bought a truck and I needed to see it.
I didn't tell you came over, I just said you would actually like this truck because you're a big truck guy. You love the cab over. Every time you come over here,
Yeah,
you want to like,
steal it.
You have to like kiss it and touch it and rub it and talk to it. I don't know what you do over there.
That's what you gotta do.
Yeah, I mean,
it's a cab over thing.
You have a relationship with it already. So anyway, yeah, let's go look at it.
So there really is a truck, because my speculation was there either really was a cool truck, because you buy a lot of trucks. You never told me I had to come see one.
Yep.
So my speculation was you either bought something super crazy or you needed help with something and I was swindled.
I feel like the needing help with something you were swindled happened already. Now we just get to see the cool truck. Now a whole bunch of people sent me this ad, and I was the first guy to call this guy, thank goodness, because he got bombarded. Yeah, it kind of speaks for itself.
Yeah, it does. This is way better than your rollback.
Yeah, the rollback has its place, but it is going to
No, it no longer has a place. This wins.
I know, it no longer has a place now.
So this is the frame of the truck. It's not a bed on this thing.
No, the bed and the frame are the same. That's how they kept it so low. So
this is the new rescue rig.
Yes. You will see this on future episodes on YouTube on our channel.
Oh, that's the big news.
Well, yeah, big news.
We forgot to tell you, Ben finally started a YouTube channel. So by the time you see this video, Ben's channel will be live. I'll put a link to it right here. There'll be a thing there. I know you can't see it right now, but
I'm
there.
imagining it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then also put a link in the description down below to Ben's channel so you can go check out what he does with. This is what you're gonna go pick stuff up with.
This is going to be the rescue truck that all the barn finds and the stuff that you and I have done with trailers and trucks and tow trucks and everything else. We're going to take this on your channel and we'll take it on my channel and we'll go rescue these old Internationals with this. So when you guys see it going down the road, take a picture, tag us on Instagram, whatever. I mean, you cannot miss this truck. It stands out.
So your super fancy high-end setup over there is dead. No more.
No, that's the long range setup. This is
Okay.
the short range. This is going to be like the 200 mile an hour or 200.
Oh, I am so down for 200 mile an hour.
No. 200 mile radius. That's what I meant to say. Radius. So for those of you who want to know, like,
You still have Christmas lights up.
Well, I take them down. I got to put them back up again next year.
This thing is so cool.
Look at the inside. Lucy's going to go inside with me.
Oh, there you go.
Check out how horrible the interior is for 1977.
Jeez. Look at this thing.
So this is a, if you go over it on the glove box, this is a Sundance edition. Okay. That was a factory option from International. They made them only for 1 year, and they only made 2 colors. You could get an orange and white one or a brown and white one. The orange and white ones are more rare. They made more of the brown and white ones than the orange and white ones. Look at the headliner even.
Yeah,
And the visors.
This is like all perfect.
The door panel. So this truck originally came from Bakersfield, California, the original owner. There's still road maps and scale tickets and receipts in here from Bakersfield from when he used to run this truck.
Like everything is just,
You know,
perfect.
this should all be worn out and destroyed and cracked, and this should have boot marks on it, and like it doesn't, because this guy that owned this truck loved this truck more than anything. And this truck made his business for almost 40 years.
Come on, Lucy.
So this is a 1977 International Harvester Lodestar, 1750 is the model. And what makes this truck really rare, there's 1 of 50 ever made. It's actually 1 of 10 in orange, but 1 of 50 ever made that has a Caterpillar diesel engine.
What cat does it have in
It
it?
has a 3208 Caterpillar.
Oh, V8 cat.
Yep.
I don't know why I did that. You can't see anything.
Want to open the hood?
Why are you even asking dumb questions like that?
Because I'm good at asking dumb questions.
All right.
I have all.
Do that grand reveal. An orange cat?
Red cat to
Well-
match the red International motor that normally would be in there.
That part's orange.
Oh, sorry.
It's orangish.
It's orangish. Yeah. So,
Comment down below. Is that orange or red?
Yeah. And you can see on this one, they actually modified the frame for the manifolds. So the regular International didn't have that, because the regular International, almost every one of these Lodestars had a 392, a 404, or a 504 big block gasoline engine. So they all had. So in order to get this in here, they had to modify the frame. They had to build the air intakes on the side of the radiator. There's a bunch of stuff on this that's specific to the Caterpillar. Yeah, anyway. It's still a hydraulic brake truck. It is not air brakes, so no CDL. We drove down on Friday, me and my buddy Patrick, and we met the guy, talked to him, super nice guy, told me the story. We checked all the fluids, made sure it was good. He said it'll make it home, no problem. So the next morning on Saturday, we got up, came over from the hotel, loaded my truck on the back, strapped it down, went to the gas station, filled it up with diesel, drove it home. Flawless.
Was it like 600
600 miles.
600 miles?
600 miles, went over 2 mountain passes that were 6,000 feet, 7% grade, ran about 60 miles an hour, 2,500 RPM, and it averaged 11.7 miles a gallon.
Yep, this is your new. So, rollback, gone, going away.
Rollbacks
'Cause
for
you don't-
sale.
For sale?
Rollbacks for sale.
For reals?
Cab overs for sale.
Because I'm going to tell these people.
I know, rollbacks for sale and cab overs for sale. Both.
I might not tell them the cab over
Oh,
for sale.
okay, you can keep that to yourself.
But if you're looking for a rollback,
Yeah. Yeah, it's a 95 4700 series, aluminum bed, awesome truck, turnkey, ready to go work and make money, but it just doesn't serve a purpose when this truck is here.
no, this is way cooler.
Yeah. So we've yet to come up with a name for the truck, and I name all my personal vehicles. Sundance is the addition, so that's kind of cliche. You can't call it the Sundance truck. So why don't you guys comment below what you would name this truck if this was your truck. It is technically orange, so I don't know. Come up with that.
And also, to make sure, if you want to see more of this stuff, go check out Ben's new channel.
Yep, 406 Garage on YouTube, 406 Garage on Instagram, and then 406garage.com is the website. And there will be merch eventually too for that.
I know, like, you're super cool and all, but this is the new star of the show.
Oh yeah, I'm nothing. this and the dog. That's all. Like, I could just step out of the
Hold on,
screen.
yeah, now I got the truck and the dog.
Yeah.
Okay, we're set now.
You got a collar to match the truck.
You're getting so big.
Yeah, she weighs almost 35 pounds now.
Okay, I'm gonna quit my job and just come hang out with you now and drive this truck around.
Okay, you gonna be the driver?
I'm
be the
driver.
chauffeur?
Yeah. This is like definitely the coolest thing you've ever bought. And that's saying a lot because you bought a lot of cool stuff.
Yeah, I feel really fortunate in the stuff that I found, but I just don't think there's ever going to be one like this ever again.
This is so perfect for what you do.
Yeah.
Like, this is what you need.
Yeah, this is us.
Forget that thing. It's gone.
Yeah. This is a timeless vehicle, and it makes people smile every time I see it. We stopped 2 or 3 different times on the way up from California back to here just to get snacks and stuff. We never got fuel until we got back to Klamath Falls, but we stopped a couple times for snacks, and every time people would just walk up to it and be like, what in the world? Where did you, how old is, what year is, they're just like, what? Wanted to ask all the questions. So.
All I'm gonna say is you made a huge mistake giving me your gate code. So, if anyone's looking for a rollback, Ben doesn't need this one anymore. It's actually really, really nice. Look at LED headlights, aluminum bed, and this one's got wheel lift on the back, right?
It does.
Jerdan bed with the wheel lift.
19-foot Jerdan bed, and it has a full wheel lift. I have carried a 6,500 pound international 4-wheel drive pickup on the wheel lift multiple times, no problem, and another truck on the bed.
So also, if anyone needs a 7.3 diesel engine,
right there.
Here's one. We could leave it on the truck.
You can have the whole truck and the axles.
I'm saying we, even though I have nothing to do with this, but
no,
but we could leave it on the truck.
We, us.
So
you.
yeah, that is a really nice rollback.
It is.
I was trying to figure out how to zoom in on it from over here to look super cool, but I don't know how to work the camera. So watch, I'll run towards the truck and then I'll play it back in like semi slow motion.
You have a new cameraman who's not here today, but you do have a new cameraman that can probably do a better job than you.
Yeah, he better.
He better.
It's not like it's a huge challenge.
So, not a real big announcement on your channel, but definitely a big announcement for us.
No, it's huge.
This is a big deal, and we're excited to launch the YouTube channel. Thanks to you guys on YouTube for asking and commenting, and you know,
that view right there. Sorry to like interrupt your whole YouTube thing, but that view is that's a perfect truck for what you're doing.
Yeah, and the funny thing was, the gentleman that I bought it from too, so I was touching it earlier, and then you got all excited about everything and started talking, so I had to stop talking. But anyway, he said, I called him like 14 minutes after the ad was posted, because everybody was sending me the ad, and he had gone on my, unbeknownst to me, went on my website, went on my Instagram, watched videos, all that stuff, checked me out, you know, vetted me, I guess you would say, right, on the internet, vetted you. And he said, then my phone just started ringing and ringing and ringing and ringing, and everybody wanted to have it shipped or wanted to know if I would ship it or if I would drive it. And you got really frustrated, basically. This is a guy that collects a lot of cool cars and race cars and stuff, and he loves this truck and knew the original owner personally. He was a good friend of his. So he called me up and he said, hey, why don't you come down this weekend and get the truck if you're really serious? And I said, yeah, I'm absolutely serious. I'll send you a deposit. So I sent him a deposit, and I got there on Friday and met him, and he said, hey, I checked out your website, I checked out your Instagram, I watched your videos and stuff like that. He goes, this truck belongs at your shop. He's like, I'm not trying to sell you on it, I'm just saying that it belongs at your shop. But I'm also going to tell you that if you don't buy it, it's no longer for sale. He's like, I love this truck, and everybody that keeps calling and asking for it is going to destroy it. He's like, I know if you take it, you'll take really good care of it. So if you want it, buy it. If you don't, I'm not selling it. And I just promptly went over to my car and got him his money and said thank you, and just I really, at that point, I just kind of felt honored that I actually got to buy it. Like, I got the opportunity. It wasn't even about the money. It was about being able to pass on the story and the legacy, and to preserve it and let it to continue to work and do what it was meant to do its whole life, you know? So it's really cool. It's really a special truck to me.
Now that is the perfect truck for you. And now we just need to find more old trucks to buy so we can use it.
We need to get rid of, you guys need to buy some of the ones that are here so we can go get more. Because we have 55 trucks right now.
Quit trying to logic this. Does not have to be logic.
I just bought another one that's not leaving. We have to get rid of some of the ones that need to leave.
There is, look at this, all this open space. Yeah, and you don't need a lawn that bad, park trucks here.
feel like it looks nicer with grass. I mean, it's dead right now, but whatever. I saw my Christmas lights up though. That's good.
Yeah.
Yay for me.
Ben, what the heck is this? It looks like a Scout got rear-ended by a fastback.
Right? So this is called a sport top. So these are super rare. Most of these came as a 2-wheel drive, 4-cylinder Scout. This one is more rare because this one is a 4-wheel drive, and it is a V8, and it has the chrome double step bumper with spare tire carrier, and it has the factory winch front bumper. I talked to a good friend of mine who knows the history of Scouts more than I do by a lot, and he said he believes, the internet will tell us, this with a V8 and a sport top and 4-wheel drive is one of 300 made.
You've got way too many projects going on in here.
It happens. That's what we do every day.
Alright, well I gotta go home before I buy something. We'll see you later. Cool truck. We'll see you guys later. Hope you like that. Go check out Ben's new channel, and you can see all the cool stuff he does with that truck and with all these old trucks. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.